but he's floating like that here. When the water flow is coming, then he is in this position.
Oh, so because, just leave your finger at the back. Okay, so what happens is the back of the pipe inspector goes down, but the front is positively
and
buoyant.
When it's floating, then it's...
And when there's movement in the pipe, it corrects itself.
Exactly.
So there's a lot of thought gone into the pipe inspector.
You see he's floating here.
I can see it's floating. It's difficult to see from the video, but I can see that the front, oh, there we go. The front is coming
and when
up.
you push it up a little bit, you see?
So as soon as there's velocity, it corrects itself. And Marco, that's the small pipe inspector.
The smallest one, yes.
And is this smallest for a DN 100 millimeter?
Yes.
And please, can you explain to me what is all the sensors on here?
Okay, it's a little heavy. Let's put it here.
Right.
Here, first we have flashlights.
Yeah, LED lights, yes.
We have here a CCTV camera.
CCTV camera, yep.
We have here on the back side
Yeah.
a pressure and a temperature transmitter.
And why do you need pressure and temperature sensor for the reporting?
Yeah, it's nice to get a pressure profile from your network.
Okay.
And the temperature is in Europe really important because when the water is over 20 degrees
Yeah.
in a hot summer,
Yeah.
then we can get bacteria in.
Ah, so temperature in Europe is important to understand. I think even in South Africa, I mean, we need it everywhere. So, and temperature will tell you a lot. Obviously, if you've got a pressure loss, it's going to tell you a huge amount about your line.
Yeah, and you get the profile. Maybe it's interesting for hydraulic modeling.
Okay. And what is the data? We're going to get acoustics out of here?
Optical,
Visual, optical,
pressure,
pressure,
temperature,
temperature.
temperature.
And also the exact distance.
Yeah, exactly. We have our systems work with two different systems. One of them is a speed meter,
Right.
and the second one is a radar. A radar.
Radar.
Yeah, they have a radar sensor inside.
Wow.
And both sensors connected together makes able for us work exactly with the length position.
So there's no guesswork like with a ball.
No.
And
That is an old system.
and Marco, what is
And we have two transmitters so that you can track it. 32.8 kilohertz for plastic pipeline and 512 kilohertz for steel pipelines.
and please can you explain to me how to calibrate the weight for different buoyancies in different countries' water? Because like you were saying, Netherlands and German water.
We have here some screws
Yeah.
where we can fill in some
Weights,
steel.
like little metal ball bearings.
Yeah.
And so you were showing me you pour the metal in to calibrate so that the buoyancy.
Exactly.
So what we would need to get a bucket of water locally and submerge
No,
this.
we have everything with us and that's been made on the place where we work.
100%. But if we're in Africa, let's say I'm in Ghana, I might have different water to Nigeria, different water to Johannesburg and Cape Town.
It's even on the temperature.
Oh, so the temperature of the water on the day will dictate how to calibrate. So this is a thinking man. And then please, I'm going to make another video about this vehicle. And we are at the European Pipeline Center Research and Development. And I will make the next video about this vehicle of what's in the vehicle.
Yeah.